Welcome to Bike Trika, the channel where we explore the newest motorcycles, concepts, and futuristic rides. Today, we're taking a closer look at the new 2026 Honda Black Wing Trike, a bold three-wheeler that blends power, stability, and premium touring design. Design and styling. The 2026 Black Wing Trike introduces an aggressive aerodynamic profile with a wide front stance, LED matrix lighting, and a muscular rear setup. Its sculpted bodywork and premium finishing make it stand out as one of Honda's most futuristic trikes to date. Engine and performance. Honda equips the Black Wing with a high-torque engine designed for long-distance touring. The trike delivers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and excellent road stability thanks to its advanced suspension and low center gravity architecture. Comfort and technology. The Black Wing Trike focuses heavily on rider comfort. It features a plush touring seat, extended legroom, and enhanced wind protection. The cockpit includes a full digital display, ride-by-wire controls, multiple ride modes, connectivity options, and Honda's latest safety electronics. Safety and stability. With dual front wheels, ABS, traction control, and Honda selectable torque control, the trike ensures maximum safety for riders on highways and tight curves. Its frame geometry offers exceptional balance, even at high speeds or during sudden maneuvers. Touring capability. Built for long rides, the Black Wing includes spacious storage compartments, improved fuel efficiency, and a smooth touring suspension. Whether for city cruising or cross-country travel, the trike is engineered for comfort and endurance. Conclusion. The new 2026 Honda Black Wing Trike is a unique combination of design innovation, power touring, and advanced technology. Honda's bold approach positions it as a premium choice for riders wanting stability with style. Thanks for watching Bike Trika. Stay tuned for more reviews, updates, and upcoming automotive innovations.